Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you this video on this Gemini credit card. Now you can get pre-qualified with a soft pull pre-approval, and they will also show you what can be your approval limit. Now, if you're new to my channel, I bring you information to help you no matter where you are on your credit journey. But for 2023, we will also be focusing on how you leverage your credit for assets. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. Also, I have a free hard inquiry removal package at my website. The links are always in the description of every video and pinned comment section if you want to get that package. I also have packages for purchase if you want to remove negative items off your credit report, so you can check that at my website. And I will be having a webinar for removing negative items and increasing your credit score by 100 points. I'll be showing you credit hacks. You'll walk away having understanding how to improve your individual credit score. And I will be answering your questions and working with you on your negative information in this seminar. So if you guys are interested, the link is in the description of the video in the pinned comment section if you want to join me. Now, as I mentioned, of leveraging your credit to get assets, this credit card is a perfect way to do so. With this card, they will pay you in rewards on crypto that you can get back on your purchases. So if you're a person that want to gain assets like Bitcoin and different cryptocurrency, this is a great way for you to use your credit to get these types of assets. And so with the Gemini credit card, you can earn rewards in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even 60 plus more other current cryptocurrencies. This is a great way to leverage your credit to get assets, especially if you're a person that really like to deal with cryptocurrencies. They're giving you 3% cash back on dining, 2% back on groceries, and 1% back on everything else. They have no annual fee with this card and instant rewards the moments that you swipe, and the rewards with the power to grow. So not only is this giving you instant rewards in crypto, you're also able in this system, you can build a portfolio of different crypto investments. So with the Gemini credit card, it's also a luxurious type of credit card because it's a metal credit card. And they come in 3 colors: rose gold, black, or you can get the silver. So it is a card that's very high class with the weight of the card, and it doesn't have your credit card information on the card, and it's a MasterCard, and it's backed by Web Bank. So this can be a good opportunity for you guys who want to invest in crypto, leverage your credit to gain assets. You can check out this card. Now, in order for you to be able to apply for this card without impact to your credit score for a soft pre-approval. Now, understand, soft pre-approval is not a guarantee that you're going to get the card. It just shows you whether you fit in their system of clients they're looking for. And if you go ahead and accept and process the application, whether you get approved or disapproved, it will be a hard inquiry pull on your credit report. Okay. So understand that is how soft pre-approvals work. Now we're going to go through the steps of showing you how to sign up for this account and how to go for this pre-qualification. Then I'm going to break down the data points for your approval of the card. So we're going to jump right into it. The first step, you want to set up an account. So you want to go ahead and give them your first, your last name, email address, mobile number, and then you're going to have to set up your passcode. So with this being that you're investing with this platform in cryptocurrencies, they are going to ask for some verification, which will require your social security number. So they're not pulling your credit for that part. It's just they want to verify that you are a person and not some kind of bot. Some investment platforms will ask you for your social security to verify your identity. And also some of this stuff, if you're investing in crypto and any gains, can be a taxable event. Now, when you come to completing that in your verification, you will be given this notice that you're going to be on board. Now, you can add a payment method if you choose to invest on the platform, or you can hit no thanks and you can do it later. Now, when you come to this main screen with your portfolio, you're going to see here the Gemini credit card where you can see if you pre-qualify for this card. So you can go through this process and then they will ask you for additional information. You're going to enter your address information and your state. And once you complete that process, you're going to hit the next button. Once you get to complete these steps, they will give you an idea of what your credit limit will be and also a tentative APR. Now, understand their APRs go from 17.24% to 29.24%. So it would give you a general idea of what your APR would be. But remember, all of these things are not guaranteed. It's a pre-qualification. Then you want to give your social security number, your date of birth, and your other information for the pre-qualification. Now, you guys, this is not going to result in a hard pull at this point. This is so you can be pre-qualified. Now, some data points is they are for the application going to pull from Experian, and these are prime credit scores they're looking for, and that's like a 680 at minimum and up for this card. Now, with me, I qualified from $1,000 to $25,000 range, and it's breaking down the APR for me of 17.24% to 29.24%. If you choose to hit continue, then you're going to process the application. This is the end of the pre-qualification. It's letting me know I pre-qualify. But if you guys continue to go on, it will result in a hard pull whether you take the card or not. So hopefully this is helpful, you guys who want to invest, leveraging your credit and you're into cryptocurrencies. So if you guys have any questions, put it in the comment section, or if you have detailed questions, make sure you reach me at my website, and I hope to see you in the next video.